At around 9 p.m. yesterday, some unknown miscreants who came in one Alto car silky silver in color fired 5 rounds of bullets at the residence of Mayang Imphal Assembly Constituency MLA K.Robindro. 3 bullets pierced through the gate while 2 other bullets hit the wall. No casualties have been reported so far. Meanwhile, in another similar incident, unknown miscreants have fired several rounds of bullets at the residence of JNIMS Director L. Deben yesterday at Kawa Assembly. No details as to who had committed the attack has been received so far. Dr. L. Deben, while talking to ELITETV, expressed that as a doctor, he has been serving the people of Manipur for all this time and he is surprised on such attacks by miscreants. He appealed to those involved in the incident to issue a clarification.
Assembly kai jale jiri bai gi yum sigi gate maya da mumbai round taraga mathoirak koila samari manga ta ba yawi aduga gate ta mari manga aduga manunga aigi khamaga le jabai gi inau nupa gi car magi ninchenda palaga damage tawre aduga smai tokdana akoi gi tamdu leita da ba ajeji oireba manipur gi film asida akoi gi nongi kapirami ba miu sixda ina hygienic madi Asikum laba kegi laikai da imung manungda aduga sibana ba thokpa yaba asuma si tobiganu amana maramdi masi ekoina punna leiminabagi matamni masida ekoi masel amaga mot inadana leibasi bullagadi atopa yekna bana hena khudong sabar logini haibasi wapun thamjage ro aigi oinadi hoje ai JNIMS ki director mo oina leijari banina ana eki lamda manipur ki jaga da amagi boiro Kucingnya tamnya lejing loya kaya da sagi tabuk acik maga kaitok jarga mumajing kudingi akui dokter miyam si are iwa pesa khaina jarga ida lang thak leiraga akui treatment si tawjabani loina na masida awat pa leramba sab gi thakpagi aing badi kanana ba hi kambal na chingbasi akui gi dokter kangbu singa china nanai wena khaina jarga akui gi leiriba akui ising nauksin aruga leiriba akui gi lejing loya da leiriba masida mukta mateng phang laksabani Masida sugumnaba koigi yam tamthiningai oiraba mawong asigi togdokse kanana karamba samsana tobirami-bano aruga kanana masi kari nungai-tabgi tobirami-bano haibudu amtang sendokpiraklagadi ai khangdaba aruga aigi asoiba leiba yawambo oiragadi adu chukthokjage.